Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to use Wix AI Website Builder, Easy Method. Start by opening Wix and selecting Wix AI in the dashboard, then answer a few prompts about your business and style. Choose a template suggested by AI, review the automatically generated pages, and replace placeholder text and images. Adjust fonts and colors to match your brand, then preview and publish your site. Keep changes simple and iterate. Open the AI-generated site editor and click any text block to change wording, headlines, or buttons quickly. Swap images with photos that represent your business or personality, and use consistent fonts for better readability. Add sections like testimonials or pricing when needed, and delete blocks that feel redundant. Use the mobile view to tweak spacing and alignment, ensuring the site looks great on phones. Save regularly while you refine. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for exceptional comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for busy site builders who value reliability. I use them while working long editing sessions, and they really hold up. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Run through the preview on desktop and mobile to spot layout issues and fix responsiveness by adjusting margins and stacking order. Enter SEO titles and meta descriptions to improve search visibility, and check page load speeds by optimizing image sizes. Connect your custom domain or use a Wix subdomain, choose a hosting plan if prompted, and set up basic analytics to track traffic. Publish when ready and promote your new site across your channels.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.